Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the show everybody. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Punjab, Pakistan, Gujrat. You might be thinking, Gujrat? Like the website where my uncle tries to sell his used Honda Civic? No. This is a different Gujrat. This Gujrat is a city steeped in history, bursting with culture, and surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty. We're talking ancient civilizations, Mughal architecture, and enough delicious food to make your mama proud. We're gonna explore bustling bazaars, wander through historical landmarks, and maybe even learn a few Punjabi phrases along the way. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or just looking for your next adventure, buckle up, because we're about to take you on a journey through Gujrat that you won't soon forget. Alright, let's talk history folks. Today, we're diving deep into the rich and vibrant history of Gujrat, a city that has seen the rise and fall of empires, the blending of cultures, and the creation of timeless art. Gujrat's story goes way back, like way back, to a time when the world was still figuring itself out. All the way to the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's oldest and most advanced societies. Over centuries, empires rose and fell, each leaving an indelible mark on this city. These ruins and remnants tell stories of battles fought, alliances made, and cultures blended. But it was during the Mughal era that Gujrat really started to shine, becoming a hub of culture and architecture. The Mughals, known for their opulent taste and architectural prowess, built palaces and monuments that still stand today. Their legacy is visible in the intricate designs and grand structures that dot the cityscape. You see it in the intricate details of the Gujrat Fort, a majestic structure that has stood the test of time. This fort is not just a building, it's a testament to the city's resilience and grandeur. And it's not just the fort. Mosques, shrines, and even old colonial buildings tell a story of cultural fusion and architectural brilliance. These structures are like pages in a history book, each with its own tale to tell. Imagine walking through the narrow, winding streets of Gujrat, the scent of spices and history hanging in the air. The bustling markets are a sensory overload, with vibrant colors, tantalizing aromas, and the sounds of daily life. You can almost hear the echoes of merchants bartering, artisans crafting their wares, and scholars debating philosophy. These streets have witnessed countless stories, from the mundane to the extraordinary. For generations, they've kept ancient crafts alive, like the famous Gujrat pottery. These aren't your average, mass-produced clay pots, my friends. Each piece is a labor of love and skill. We're talking about handcrafted works of art, each piece unique, passed down through generations. The artisans pour their heart and soul into every creation, making each pot a masterpiece. This tradition of pottery making is a family affair, with skills and secrets handed down from one generation to the next. And speaking of art, you can't forget the music and dance. The cultural tapestry of Gujrat is incomplete without its vibrant performing arts. The sounds of the dole and the vibrant movements of Punjabi folk dances will make you want to get up and move. These performances are not just entertainment, they are a celebration of life, culture, and community. So, yeah, Gujrat is more than just a city. It's a living, breathing tapestry of history, culture, and tradition. Every corner, every street, every monument has a story to tell, making Gujrat a city that is as timeless as it is dynamic. Okay, let's be real folks. Sometimes you just need a break from the hustle and bustle of city life, right? The constant noise, the never-ending traffic, and the relentless pace can really wear you down. It's like you're always on the go, with no time to just stop and breathe. But what if I told you there's a place where you can escape all that? You need to reconnect with nature, breathe in some fresh air, and just chill. Imagine lying on a soft patch of grass, feeling the gentle breeze on your face, and listening to the soothing sounds of nature. It's the perfect way to recharge your batteries and find some inner peace. Well, Gujrat's got you covered. This region is a treasure trove of natural beauty, offering a serene escape from the chaos of urban life. From lush green fields to picturesque landscapes, Gujrat has it all. Step outside the city limits, and you're greeted by a landscape that will make you forget all about traffic jams and deadlines. The transition from the urban jungle to the tranquil countryside is like stepping into a different world. Imagine this. Rolling fields of emerald green stretching as far as the eye can see. It's a sight that will take your breath away and make you appreciate the simple beauty of nature. Wheat, sugarcane, rice, and cotton swaying gently in the breeze. These fields are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a testament to the region's rich agricultural heritage. This is the agricultural heartland of Punjab, where life moves at a different pace. Here, you can witness the hard work and dedication of the farmers, who cultivate the land and produce the food that sustains us all. And then, there's the Chenab River, a lifeline that snakes its way through the region. This mighty river not only nourishes the fields, but also adds a touch of serenity to the landscape. The Chenab, along with its tributaries, nourishes the land, sustains life, and adds a touch of serenity to the landscape. It's a vital part of the ecosystem, supporting both agriculture and wildlife. For those who crave a little adventure, Gujrat's got a surprise for you: the majestic Karakoram Range and the breathtaking Murray Hills. These natural wonders offer a playground for outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers. These mountains beckon you to explore their hidden trails and witness nature's raw beauty. Whether you're hiking, trekking, or simply taking in the views, the experience is sure to be unforgettable. So whether you're a nature enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the natural world, Gujrat has something to offer everyone. It's a place where you can find peace, adventure, and a deep connection with nature. Now, let's talk weather, shall we? Because when you're planning a trip, knowing what to expect from Mother Nature is key. Gujrat has a bit of a fiery personality when it comes to its climate. We're talking scorching summers where the temperatures can hit 40 degrees Celsius. Winters in Gujrat are a welcome reprieve, with temperatures ranging from a cool 5 degrees to a pleasant 20 degrees Celsius. And then there's the monsoon season, from June to September, when the skies open up and the land gets a much-needed drink. So, whether you're a sun worshipper or a winter enthusiast, Gujrat's got a season for you. Chapter 4, Hayat ka Tanur, Gujrat ke Nabatat or Hayawanat. Hold on to your safari hats, folks, because we're about to go on a wildlife adventure, Gujrat style. Now I know what you're thinking. Wildlife in Gujrat? Isn't that just stray goats and the occasional curious cow? Well yes, but also so much more. Gujrat's countryside is teeming with life, from the tiniest insects to the slyest foxes. Imagine walking through a grove of mango trees, their branches laden with fruit. You might spot a flock of parrots, their feathers a riot of color, feasting on the juicy fruit. Venture a little further, and you might stumble upon a family of wild boars. If you're really lucky, you might catch a glimpse of a jackal, its cunning eyes gleaming in the moonlight. So, keep your eyes peeled and your ears open, because you never know what you might encounter in the wilds of Gujrat. Chapter 5, Zayakon ka Safar, Gujrat ki Maqami Ghazain. Alright folks, it's time to talk about the good stuff, the food. Gujrat's culinary scene is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, aromas and textures that will leave you craving for more. And let me tell you, in Gujrat, food isn't just fuel, it's an experience, a celebration of life, and a testament to the culinary genius of the Punjabi people. Every meal is a feast, every dish a story. We're talking about food that's rich in flavor, generous in portions, and guaranteed to make your taste buds sing. From the first bite to the last, each mouthful is a journey through a world of spices and textures. First up, we have biryani, the king of Pakistani cuisine. This dish is a symphony of flavors, a perfect blend of spices, rice, and meat that has been perfected over generations. Imagine fragrant rice infused with saffron and spices, layered with tender meat and caramelized onions. Each grain of rice is a burst of flavor, each piece of meat a tender delight. Next, we have saji, a dish that's as visually impressive as it is delicious. This traditional dish is a true spectacle, a whole lamb cooked to perfection. Picture a whole lamb, marinated to perfection, skewered on a giant spit, and slow roasted over an open fire. The result is meat that's juicy, tender, and bursting with flavor. And of course, no meal in Punjab is complete without naan, the fluffy, pillowy flatbread that's perfect for scooping up curries. It's the ideal companion to any dish, soaking up all the delicious sauces and gravies. Gujrat is famous for its jalebi, crispy, syrupy swirls of fried dough that are pure sugar rush heaven. These golden spirals are a treat for both the eyes and the taste buds, a perfect end to any meal. So, come hungry my friends, because Gujrat is ready to feed your soul as well as your stomach. Every dish tells a story, every meal is a celebration. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure like no other. Chapter 6, Siyahat or Tafri, Gujrat mein ghumne ki jagah. Okay, fellow adventurers, you've explored Gujrat's history, you've marveled at its natural beauty, and you've tantalized your taste buds with its delicious cuisine. Now, it's time to talk about the experiences that will tie it all together. Gujrat may not be as famous as some of Pakistan's larger cities, but that's part of its charm. It's a city that's still waiting to be discovered, a hidden gem that offers a glimpse into the authentic heart of Punjab. Start your exploration by getting lost in the labyrinthine alleys of Gujrat's local bazaars. Here, you'll find everything from traditional handicrafts to spices that will make your senses explode. For a change of pace, head to Kalar Kahar Lake, a serene oasis nestled amidst the salt range. Gujrat is also a great base for exploring the surrounding region, so whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply someone who enjoys experiencing new cultures, Gujrat has something to offer everyone. Outro. Elwadar, Gujrat. So there you have it, folks. Our whirlwind tour of Gujrat, a city that's so much more than just a dot on the map. It's a place where history comes alive, where nature inspires awe, and where the warmth of the people will stay with you long after you've said goodbye. We hope this journey has inspired you to add Gujrat to your travel bucket list. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures, and share this video with your friends.